Welcome to our video tutorial on how to install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation Pro. Kali Linux is a powerful penetration testing and ethical hacking distribution, and VMware Workstation Pro is a popular virtualization software. By combining the two, you can create a secure and isolated environment for your hacking and testing needs. Let's get started. The first step is to download the Kali Linux ISO image from their official website. Open your web browser and go to the Kali Linux website at www.kali.org. Navigate to the Download section. You'll find different versions of Kali Linux available. Choose the one that suits your needs. For most users, the 64-bit ISO image is recommended. Click on the download link to start the download. Download the VMware Workstation Pro installation file from the VMware website. Open your web browser and go to the VMware website at www.vmware.com. Navigate to the Products or Downloads section. Look for VMware Workstation Pro and click on the download link. Select the appropriate version of VMware Workstation Pro for your operating system, Windows or macOS. Click on the download button to start the download. Once the installation file is downloaded, you can proceed with installing VMware Workstation Pro on your computer. Locate the downloaded installation file and double-click on it to run the installer. If prompted, grant administrative privileges to the installer. The installation wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Review the license agreement and accept it to continue.
If prompted, enter your administrative credentials to run the application. When VMware Workstation Pro opens, click on Help in the menu bar and select Enter License Key. Now you guys have to go to our Instagram page and follow us. Then, click on Message button. Then you will get suggested questions. Click on Get VMware Pro Key. You will get licensed keys of VMware Pro there. Just copy the license key that you received from Instagram. Paste it here. Click on the Continue or Next button to proceed. Review and accept the end-user license agreement. Once you have everything ready, let's start by creating a new virtual machine. Open VMware Workstation Pro. Click on Create a new virtual machine or go to File, New Virtual Machine.
Select Typical and click Next. Choose the Kali Linux ISO image you downloaded earlier by clicking on Installer Disk Image File, ISO. Click Next and enter a name for your virtual machine, such as Kali Linux. Specify the disk capacity you want to allocate to the virtual machine. The default value should be sufficient, but you can adjust it according to your needs. Click Next and review the virtual machine settings. Make any necessary changes, such as the network adapter or RAM allocation. Finally, click Finish to create the virtual machine. Now that we have our virtual machine set up, let's proceed with the installation of Kali Linux. Select the newly created virtual machine in the VMware Workstation Pro interface. Click on Play Virtual Machine or Power on this virtual machine. The Kali Linux installation process will start. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the language, location, and keyboard settings. When prompted, choose the installation option Graphical Install and proceed. Select your preferred language and continue. Set up the network configuration, hostname, and domain name. Enter a strong root password for the Kali Linux system. Create a non-root user account and provide the necessary details. select the disk partitioning method. For most users, the default option should be sufficient. Confirm the changes to the disk and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation finishes, reboot the virtual machine. Can see we have successfully installed Kali Linux in our VMware Workstation Pro virtual machine. Don't forget to like this video if you find it informative, and be sure to leave a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting video like this in the future.